Reinforcement learning is a psychological concept that deals with the ability to learn the associations between stimuli, the triggers, actions, and the occurrence of pleasant events, called rewards, or unpleasant events called punishments. The term reinforcement indicates the process of forming and strengthening these associations by the reinforcer, which encompasses both rewards, positive reinforcers, and punishments, negative reinforcers. This concept has been introduced in computational systems too. So, in the context of machine learning, reinforcement learning is a training method based on rewarding desired behaviors and/or punishing undesired ones. In their book Reinforcement Learning: An Introduction, authors Richard S. Sutton and Andrew G. Barto have mentioned that reinforcement learning is learning what to do, how to map situations to actions, so as to maximize a numerical reward signal. The learner is not told which actions to take, but instead must discover which actions yield the most reward by trying them. In the most interesting and challenging cases, actions may affect not only the immediate reward but also the next situation and, through that, all subsequent rewards. These two characteristics, trial-and-error search and delayed reward, are the two most important distinguishing features of reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is completely different from supervised learning that work with only labeled training data. At first glance, someone can compare it to unsupervised learning, because that does not rely on examples of correct behavior, but in fact, reinforcement learning is different from unsupervised learning too. Unsupervised learning is typically about finding structure hidden in collections of unlabeled data. In contrast, reinforcement learning tries to maximize a reward signal instead of trying to find a hidden structure. We can therefore consider reinforcement learning to be a fourth machine learning paradigm, alongside supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and semi-supervised learning paradigms.